header. This is standby. These are working. So this is pressurized, and then this will reverse flow here. The reverse flow from the standby pump. So that is why we have check valve. Yeah, safeguard is there. More temperature not concern, less temperature not concern, more pressure we have seen, less pressure we have seen, level no pressure concern because we have seen, less level we have seen, mixing no problem, service no problem.
Yeah.
So this node is done.
Ahmed.
Going for SAS वाला देख लेते हैं हम लोग.
Yeah.
Right, we can complete quickly. SAS में, I mean, you mentioned that you need to cover from page number 11.
It will be one previous time.
Yeah, this one.
This one, yeah.
Yeah. So here there is no reverse flow case, no more less flow case, only pump trip. At the pump 1001 ABC trip, right?
This one recycle to the announcing time.
हाँ, हम डाल देते हैं ना. तो पंप नंबर क्या है? पंप P1000 1A public B 1001 ABC. Right. So
1001 ABC.
ट्रिप होगा क्या होगा? लो हाई लेवल हियर. High level in take, right?
High level is possible. I think no.
होगा ना?
Because this pump is continuously operating these pumps.
Yeah. See, we're saying that if a pump is not running and you are getting water by gravity, the high level will come.
Yeah.
But we say standby pump is there. Level and no flow and no less flow to downstream. So 3, see, you have